Hello there people, my name is Toby from the Gymnastics Academy, and today I've partnered up with Gym Club Solutions to bring you guys an Albertido / L-kick tutorial. First things first, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a demonstration of what an L-kick and an Albertido actually is. Then I'm going to give you guys the step-by-step progressions you can use to teach your gymnasts and other athletes how to do it. So the first progression we're going to use to learn your L-kick is we're going to do an incline kick to a sideways handstand. So if you get yourself a little bit of a block set up just like this, maybe about 30 centimeters or higher, the higher you do it, the easier, up until about hip height, and then it'll be too much. So first of all, we're going to go cartwheel hand down on the mat, this hand out sideways in a star shape, and we're going to imagine just kicking and staying in the star, looking forward. Nice and easy. Falling down here, lifting, 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 like a seesaw from this hand and this leg. Bang. Then we're going to jump off that base foot. A bit faster. Push, bang. Push, bang. Most important things are that we're pushing this hand away, not letting it bend in, and we're keeping our eyes dead forward the whole time. After you've done that now, you need to learn how to pike and then snap your leg out. So to do this, get yourself down on the floor, just like so. You're going to put that cartwheel elbow on the floor, put your non-cartwheel hand in front of your face just like this, lift up your other leg just like it would be in the sideways handstand, and then all you can do is practice piking, kicking away. Piking, kicking away. You're driving your shin towards your forehead, bang, then snapping away. Body comes in, fold, leg goes out, arm and head goes to the other side. Fold, snap. Fold, snap. Once you've done that, you then think about adding it to the sideways kick to handstand. Put your hand in front of your face and just imagine kicking your hand first of all, and that should be a nice little guide for you on where to kick your leg. So, hand goes down, looking forward, tap, back down, here. Tap your hand, back down. So as you can see now, we're getting a little bit of a fold. As you get more confident, rather than having your hand high up here, have your hand closer towards your face so you can start to kick more towards your head. And again. And snap out. Now you should have somewhat of the shape of your Albertido. It should be slightly easier. So take off a couple mats, move them to the side, and try and do it slightly lower now. Fall, 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 snap down, and push. This time now, have your whole forearm above your forehead, just like this, and imagine kicking past your forearm. Here, kick, and go. It's almost like it's gonna come in between your elbow and your ear. Here, kick, and kick. And now you'll notice we're really getting a nice snap into a big L shape. So, as you get better and better at doing it on an incline, go lower and lower and lower until eventually you're doing it fully on the floor. Stand up nice and strong. One key thing to note, especially when you move it to the floor, similar to the tornado kick we spoke about earlier, is keeping this foot in nice and strong. So once you've jumped off the floor, bring that heel towards your butt, and then you'll get a nice shape to kick in. If both your legs are straight, it looks okay, but it looks a little bit weird. Something's not quite right about it. Whereas if you bend that leg, keep it in nice and tight, you get the full snap. So that has been how to do an L kick. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Hope you guys have found it useful. Please let us know if it was helpful for teaching your gymnasts how to do it in the comments down below, and we look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.